I'm Dan Carter, and along with Austin Coomer, we manage the Touchstone Balanced Fund, sub-advised by Fort Washington Investment Advisors. The fund dynamically provides transparent stock and bond exposure around a target allocation of 60% equities and 40% fixed income. We leverage the experience of more than 30 individuals from our fixed income and equity teams who average more than 25 years of experience. The fund employs Fort Washington's distinctive capabilities across fixed income and public equities. Its top-down or macro view, combined with fundamentally driven analysis, determines asset allocation and positioning based on the relative attractiveness of equity and fixed income markets, sectors, and industries. Within fixed income, sector allocation and security selection have historically driven returns. We also actively manage interest rate risks through duration and yield curve positioning, as well as through the use of Treasury inflation-protected securities. For the fund's equity portion, the fund's multifaceted approach is designed to identify companies with sustainable competitive advantages through barriers to entry, coupled with attractive valuations. As valuations shift throughout the market cycle, the fund's portfolio is not constrained to a particular style and adapts to different market environments as it seeks to identify opportunities. Fort Washington embodies a long-term perspective and uncompromised focus on investing. As such, valuation and fundamentals serve as our focal points.
The fund invests in equities which are subject to market volatility and loss. The fund invests in fixed income securities which can experience reduced liquidity during certain market events, lose their value as interest rates rise, and are subject to credit risk, which is the risk of deterioration in the financial condition of an issuer and/or general economic conditions that can cause the issuer to not make timely payments of principal and interest, also causing the securities to decline in value, and an investor can lose principal. The fund invests in U.S. government agencies securities which are neither issued nor guaranteed by the U.S. Treasury and are not guaranteed against price movements due to changing interest rates. The fund may experience higher portfolio turnover, which may lead to increased fund expenses, lower investment returns, and higher short-term capital gains taxable to shareholders. Please consider the investment objectives, risks, charges, and expenses of the fund carefully before investing. The prospectus and the summary prospectus contain this and other information about the fund. To obtain a prospectus or a summary prospectus, contact your financial professional or download and/or request one at touchstoneinvestments.com/resources or call Touchstone at 800-638-8194. Please read the prospectus and/or summary prospectus carefully before investing. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This should not be construed as investment advice. Touchstone and Fort Washington are members of Western and Southern Financial Group. Touchstone funds are distributed by Touchstone Securities, Inc., a registered broker-dealer and member FINRA and SIPC.